How to log into Litmatch. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Litmatch application. Also make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. Then as you tap on the Litmatch application, here you can see three options. One is Facebook, on how you can log in, direct login, and Google or Gmail account. So you can choose any of the ways that is more convenient for you. Here I would like to go for my Gmail account. After tapping on Gmail account, you'll be able to choose an account that you have associated with the Litmatch application. So just tap on that particular Gmail account and you'll be done and you'll be logged into Litmatch. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.